Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to email to collaborators or email to any other person from Google Spreadsheet without opening Gmail. So firstly, open your Gmail account. So sign in with that user ID and password and open Google Spreadsheets. So here I am opening Google Spreadsheets. So once you open Google Spreadsheets, just open any of the project. So here I am opening my previous project sheet. So it's a project estimation. So I want to share this to my collaborators. So whoever are in the company or friends. So generally, how do you share? So you need to go to share and you need to click on here. So it will just intimate that. But if you want to send an email without opening Gmail, so first you need to click on file here, and here you have option like email. So once you click on this email file, it will ask you to send the to and the subject and the message. So how you wanna share this? So you want to send it as a PDF file or send it as Excel or open Office spreadsheet. So if you want anything, just select it and give any input here. So here I'm giving one email ID here, and here you see, just send it. So it will send an email with the message whatever you have typed. And if you want to share this or share any email or send any email to collaborators, so you just need to click on file again, go to email and email collaborators. So here you'll get all the collaborators who are having edit or view permissions. So you can just send an email to the same persons. So in this manner, you can directly send email without opening Gmail from your Google spreadsheet. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.